Hello guys, good day. I remain your host of Innovation Signature, your dreadlock specialist. Lies you've been told in social media about dreadlocks. Let's dive in. Lies number 1. Dreadlocks is the cheapest hairstyle to carry. That's not true. Dreadlocks is not the cheapest hairstyle to carry. It's only cheap when you go to the roadside, but when you meet a good professional and you want to have the best treat for your locks, Locs is not the cheapest hairstyle. The second lie social media have told you is that locks can be washed while it's styled. Let me break down. Locks cannot be washed immediately you maintain the hair. Now let's say for instance you come to your lock today and tomorrow you can swim with your locks. No, that's not what it means. What it means is that after you take down your style, you can swim and do whatever thing you wish to do with your hair. But you cannot make your hair today and go swimming tomorrow and expect your locks to still be in place. Example, those people that do interlocking or crocheting, they always make you feel like maybe you make the hair, you can go swimming and you feel free. That's not true. Immediately you get into that water, the whole hair will scatter. So locks cannot be washed immediately. It can only be washed after a while. If you wash it, if you do it today and you wash it tomorrow, you will lose your money. So locks is not washable after it's been locked. Lies number 3. Lies number 3 says that you can do any hairstyle with your locks. That's not true. You can't do every hairstyle with your locks. They say locks is versatile. You can braid on it, you can wear wig on it, that's partially true but not true, because once you get to that length you can no longer wear wigs on that locks. That is another thing you need to know. When you put braids on your locks, you cannot do a cornrow. You can't do a cornrow. You can't do if you're carrying wig locks, those big locks, you can't do any style, any braids on it. It's not possible. So if you see people braiding their locks, it's probably because their locks are still short and still scanty. And if you want a healthy lock, stop braiding your locks. When you start braiding your locks, this is what happens. Those the weight of the attachment you're using on your locks is actually going to be pulling the root of your locks, making it thin in the root. So once you're doing that, you are actually defying the law of dreadlocks, the law of healthy dreadlocks. So you cannot braid on locks. You can't carry every styles on locks. 4th lies you've been told about dreadlocks. The 4th lies you've been told about dreadlocks is that dreadlocks is not painful. Guys, dreadlocks is very painful. It is painful if only you practice crocheting, interlocking, or you style tightly. Are you getting me? I'll mention that again. It's either you practicing crocheting, interlocking, or you style tightly. They are very, very painful. Have you seen the faces of those people? They crochet their hair, especially when you are crocheting their roots. It's very, very, very painful. You should not be deceived. Then for those that do interlock, passing a very big locks under the root, under one slim root, before the client be shaking head like, he wants to jump up from the chair. It's very, very painful. So have it at the back of your mind that locks is painful if you do these 3 things. You style tightly, you do practice interlocking, or you practice crocheting.